So good morning everyone. I am Rodolfo Batidor and today I will be discussing the components of the Hindu-Arabic system. So first, let us have the 10 symbols. So unsa din ang 10 symbols? So ang 10 symbols is mao ni siya ang 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ug 9. So, these are the basic digits used to form all the numbers. No matter how large or small a number is, it is always made from these 10 symbols. So, this means that kani nga mga basic digits is used or gigamit nato para maka-form og all numbers. Bisan pa unsa kadako or unsa kagamay sa number is nagikan gyud siya sa basic digits or sa ato 10 symbols. Even if naata sa school or sa balay. For example, makita numbers 2,547 is formed from the digits 2, 5, 4, and 7. So, ato makita sa example nga, ang 2, 5, or 2,547 is na-form siya sa mga digits or number nga 2, 5, 4, and 7. So, in summary, the 10 symbols are the building blocks of all numbers. So this means nga ang 10 symbols kuno kay mura ni siya og found sa for example anay sa ato balay, which is mao ni siya ang foundation or mao ni siya ang building blocks sa tanan number para ma-form bisan unsa pa kadako or bisan unsa kagamay ang number is kana nga mga number is nagikan gid na siya sa ato 10 symbols or sa ato basic digits. So now let's move on to the base system or base 10 system. In this system, the place value of each digit increases by power of 10. Each place is 10 times bigger than the place to its right. Part of understanding place value is understanding our base 10 system. Our ones, tens, hundreds, or even thousands and 10,000s. This is coming from the base 10. In our society, we use a base 10 system. So, the question is, why base 10? What makes the quantity 10 so special? Most of us just assume that base 10 is the perfect base because that is what we learned. Why not base 12? So, the simple answer is human beings have 10 fingers. So, base of 10 is the natural base for a place value system. So, this means nga so kita mga tao is naman tay 10 fingers. So, ang base 10 is natural lang or natural base para sa place value system. So now let's move on to the place value system or positional system. The value of a digit on its position in the number, and a digit can represent different value depending on where it is placed. The place value increased by powers of 10, and the positional notations assigns a value to a digit depending on its place. This makes the representation of numbers simple and flexible. So, this means nga ang number, for example, ang value sa usa ka number is nagdepende kung asa siya nabutang. For example, the number 432. Ang 432 is nag-compose siya sa digit nga 4, 3, ug 2. Whereas ang 4 is mao na siya ang place value ni 4 is mao na siya ang hundreds. Then ang 3 is mao na siya ang sa tens. And ang 2 is sa ones place. Ang place value system or ang place value is mao na siya ang ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s. Let me give you another example. 5,210, whereas ang 5 is naa siya sa thousands place. And then the 2 is naa siya sa hundreds place. And the 1 is the tens place and 0 is a ones place. So, another example, the number 82,653 means there are Whereas ang 8 is nasa sa 10,000s place, ang 2 is nasa sa thousands place, and 6 is nasa sa hundreds place, and then the 5 is nasa sa tens place, and the 3 is nasa sa ones place. We say that the place value of the 6 in this number or in this numeral is hundreds. So as we can see nga, as we kaybaw naman kita sa mga place value or sa place value system, mao to ang ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So in this example is dali ra kayo nato ma-identify kung asa nga or unsa nga value or unsa ang place value sa given example, no? In summary, the place value system gives meaning to its digits depending on their position. So this means nga ang place value system is naghatag siya og meaning sa mga digits, pero nagdepende siya kung asa siya nabutang or unsa siya nga position. So let's have a recall. So ang Indo-Arabic system is composed siya of 3 components, whereas ang 10 symbols. Ang 10 symbols is nag-compose siya of digits nga 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and lastly ang number 9. And the second one is mao to siya ang place value system. Mao to ang ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s, and so on. And the third one is the base 10 system. Now, that's all for my side, or that's all for my report today. And let's move to the other contributions, significance, and applications of the Indo-Arabic place value system to be reported by my co-reporter, Tres Daniel Matugina and Carousel May Catalan. So, thank you guys for listening to my report today. I hope you've learned something.